Hey light lovers, welcome back to LED Insiders, your ultimate source for the latest in lighting technology and trends. It's 2025, and LED lighting is smarter, sleeker, and more powerful than ever before. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 LED lighting trends of 2025 that are transforming homes, offices, and beyond. Let's jump right in. First up, smart lighting is going mainstream. Whether you're using Alexa, Google Home, or a smartphone app, controlling your lights is now just a voice command away. Brands like Philips Hue, Tuya, and Wiz offer lights that change color, adjust brightness, and follow schedules. All from your couch. Smart lighting isn't a luxury anymore. It's the new standard. Ever felt more awake under cool lighting and cozy under warm lights? That's not a coincidence. Tunable white LEDs allow you to change color temperature from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, adapting to your daily rhythm. This trend is huge in bedrooms, offices, and health-conscious homes, helping regulate sleep cycles and boost productivity. Design meets function with ultra-slim and magnetic track lights. These are perfect for modern homes, showrooms, and retail spaces. They're modular, stylish, and super easy to install or reposition, no electrician needed. Expect to see a lot more of this trend in minimalist interiors this year. Color meets clarity with RGB plus white hybrid LEDs. Unlike regular RGB lights, these combine vivid colors with a true white chip for everyday use. Whether you're gaming, chilling, or working, one light can now do it all. It's functional mood lighting. Outdoor lighting is getting smarter too. Solar-powered LED lights with motion sensors are everywhere in 2025. No wires, no bills, no hassle. Perfect for gardens, pathways, gates, and security lighting, they store power by day and light up when needed at night. Affordable, eco-friendly, and powerful. That's the 2025 outdoor upgrade. So, which trend do you want to try first? Smart voice control, circadian tunable lighting, or the sleek magnetic track setup? Let me know in the comments. And if you learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe to LED Insiders, and turn on notifications because we've got more lighting wisdom coming your way every week. Remember, light isn't just about brightness. It's about how it makes you feel, function, and live. LED Insiders, lighting the way to smarter spaces.